Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Analytical Angle. We are back again with a video after a very long time. So today we will be doing a previous year question of ISI B.Math 2009. This is a simple question, so without wasting time, let us start. So first of all, we will simplify the LHS. So the LHS is cot of sine inverse root 13 by 17. So how can we simplify this? We will take this part, sine inverse of root 13 by 17 as x, and we'll proceed as cos x equal to root of 1 minus sine square x. This is the formula that everyone must know, which will simplify to root over of 1 minus 13 by 17. Sorry, this will be minus. Since x is equal to sine inverse of 13 by 17, so sine of x is equal to root of 13 by 17 sine square x. So this simplifies to 2 by root 17. Now we are going to write cot x, which is basically cos x by sin x. And if we divide the two values, that is root 13 by 17 and divided by 2 by root 17, we will get 2 by root 13. Now what did we get finally? So cot of cot inverse 2 by root 13. So basically cot of cot inverse makes this just a simple value, 2 by root 13. Now moving on to the RHS. So how can we simplify the RHS? The RHS is given as sine of tan inverse theta, and we need to find the theta. So first let us take this tan inverse of theta as y. Now we can write it as sec y is equal to root of 1 plus tan square y. Then we can further simplify it as 1 plus theta square as per the question. Now cos y will be just the reciprocal, that is 1 by root of 1 plus theta square, and if we remove the root, it becomes theta by root over of 1 plus theta square. So what does this finally become? It becomes sine of sine inverse theta by root 1 plus theta square. So again, basically the sine and sine inverse gets balanced and it becomes theta by root over 1 plus theta square. Now we just equalize the LHS and RHS to get the answer. Our LHS as we got was 2 by root 13. 2 by root 13, and the RHS we got is theta by 1 plus theta square under the root. If we simplify this, this comes as 4 by 13 equal to, if we square both the sides, theta square by 1 plus theta square, and this simplifies to theta square is equal to 4 by 9. So basically theta comes out as 2 by 3 to us. And this is the final answer to our question. Let's match it with the options. And we see that option D matches correctly. And so this was the answer to this question. If you found this interesting, please drop a subscribe, a like, and also comment if you want. Thank you for watching.